Alright, there's a few things you got to know about polynomials, right? A polynomial can be a... Let's see if this pencils. I might have to do this next one in pen. A polynomial can be a monomial or a sum of monomials. Polynomials are classified by the number of terms. It can have one term. Alright, a binomial has two terms, a trinomial has three terms. Alright, so this, see, one term, two term, is a binomial. Polynomials are also classified by their degree. The degree is the greatest value among the sum of the exponents. So if I look here, look at this guy, right? That's a 2 and a 1. That's 3, and this is 3, 3, and 1. So that's a 7th, right? The variables in the first term are x and y. The exponent on the x is 1. The exponent on the y is 2. The number 8 is not a variable, so it has a degree of 0. The first term has a degree of 3. The degree of the second term is 7, like we said, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's keep going here. We have a cookie. I'm going to eat that cookie too. Alright, so this says find the degree of each term by adding the exponents of the variables in the term. Alright, the degree is the greatest degree of the polynomial, the degree of the term. Alright, so here we go. This one is 3 plus 3 is 6, which you obtain by adding the exponents of x and y. Right? So this one we can see 3 and 3 is 6. So it's a binomial because there's two terms. Well, this one is a 1, 2, 3 trinomial, right? There are three terms. And on this one, the degree is 2 because that variable has a degree of 2. Remember, it doesn't only matter as a variable. So 3 second has a 0 degree. It doesn't count. N cubed, is that a cubed? I should have said 3. 3, and that's a first. What was the degree of this? Alright, what is the degree? Alright, I can't read it. My eyes are so bad I can't see it. I think that's 2 6s. If that's 2 6s, the degree is 12. Is this a polynomial? No, because that has a decimal. No. Y is not a whole number. Alright, classify it by... Alright, so here we go. There are three terms, so it's a trinomial. Right? And it looks like this guy's to the fourth, so fourth degree. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's 1, 2, 3, and this one's just 1, 2. Alright, this one has two terms, so it's a binomial. And that's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. It's a third degree. Alright. Let's keep going. See if we can get 2 pages out of it at least. I think the next one just is standard form. Standard form's not too bad, right? So writing in standard form is doing this. Standard form contains only one variable is written with the terms in order of decreasing degree. First term will always have the greatest degree. The next term will have the second greatest, and so on. When writing this form, the coefficient is called the leading coefficient. This becomes very important to a lot of things later on. This is in standard form. It is a fourth degree, and my leading coefficient is 5 because it's the number on the highest degree. Alright, so we're going to keep going here. We come down to this guy right here. This is in standard form. Oh, no, it's not. That's a 6z. So to rewrite this, right, we would have to write this as, I want to write it over here, negative z to the 6 plus z cubed plus 4z. I'm going to show you something I did. I put the negative out front. The signs always come with the variable. Since that was a negative here, the negative comes out front. These are sign numbers. Standard form is negative z6 plus z cubed plus 4z. The leading coefficient is negative 1 because of that negative. So here we go. We're going to write these. Alright, there's 4 terms. That looks like the highest exponent. Is it? That's a 5. Alright. So that's x to the 5th plus 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 10. The leading coefficient, I'm just going to put LC equals 1. It's the number out here. Alright, so that looks like an 8th power. That goes first. Negative 3y to the 8th plus 18y cubed plus 10y. And negative 3 is my leading coefficient. Alright, this guy right here. Negative 15x squared plus 10x plus 13. And my leading coefficient's negative 15. Again, x squared to x to the first. Highest exponents first. That looks like the highest. So that's 12b to the 4th. There's a b, so plus 6b cubed minus 3b squared plus 2b, and this negative 7 and positive 7, they cancel out. Leading coefficient equals 12. Alright, so we are going to pause here and talk about simplifying next.